Hello and welcome to TVJ's Final Whistle. I'm Simon Preston. This is the show where we recap all the day's action from the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Well, what did we have today? 3 matches, 4 goals, 1 upset. But we'll get to that upset quite shortly. We head over to the city of Samara now, where Serbia defeated Costa Rica 1-0. This was Serbia's first win at the World Cup since 2010 in South Africa, where they defeated Germany 1-0. The all-important goal, well, it came in minute number 56 from Alexander Kolarov as he scored his 11th goal of his career in his 77th appearance. So what does this mean now for the Serbians? They are at the top of Group E now, while Costa Rica, the CONCACAF team, they are at the bottom of the group. Well, we moved swiftly now from Samara and we head to the Luzhniki Stadium in Moscow. And this was the surprise. Mexico defeating Germany 1-0. The first time that Germany has lost to a CONCACAF team in World Cup history. Not only that, it was the first time since 1982 in Spain that Germany lost their opening game of the FIFA World Cup. On that occasion in Spain, they lost 2-1 to Algeria. Who was the culprit today? Hirving Lozano, the 22-year-old, as he scored his 8th international goal for L3 in minute number 35. So Mexico now at the top of Group F, and they'll be hoping for at least another victory to secure their passage into the round of 16. There's been a lot of expectation on this team since the 1994 World Cup. They've advanced to the round of 16 since then. So for them, an expectation will be to get to the quarterfinals. How far will they go? Well, we'll see. We'll find out in a matter of weeks. And finally, we head to Rostov-on-Don. 5-time World Cup champions Brazil being held to a 1-1 draw by Switzerland. Felipe Coutinho scoring perhaps one of the goals of the day, scoring in the 20th minute. And then half an hour later, in the 50th minute, Steven Zubar scored his 4th international goal, a stunning header to rescue a point for Switzerland. So over in Group E, the way it stands now, Serbia is at the top of the group with 3 points, followed by Brazil and Switzerland with 1 point. And then after that, at the foot of the table, it is Costa Rica. This is the first time since the 1978 World Cup in Argentina where Brazil did not win their opening game. On that occasion in 1978 in Argentina, the Brazilians, they drew 1-1 with Sweden. Well, what is to come tomorrow? There's going to be 3 games in store. Firstly, in Group F, Sweden versus South Korea. Over in Group G, Belgium versus Panama, and Tunisia against England. So what are my predictions for these games? Sweden, their first World Cup appearance since 2006. They'll have that aerial ability over the South Korean team, so I'm going to give them a 1-0 victory. Belgium versus Panama. Panama, their first appearance in the FIFA World Cup. But I'm going to go with the Red Devils of Belgium, 3-1 on this occasion. And finally, Tunisia versus England. England is my team. I don't think they're going to pass the second round of the tournament, but let's see. You know, stranger things have happened in this World Cup and others in the past. I'm going to go 1-0 to England with a goal coming from a Jamaican-born player, Raheem Sterling. Well, that's TVJ's Final Whistle for this week. Stay tuned for tomorrow where we recap these games and others in the 2018 FIFA World Cup.